Good morning, Spencer the mechanic. Today is the day I'm gonna show you how to bring back the dead compressor for your air condition. Way down there. Just remember, you don't have to touch that air condition compressor. This is the hose right here for the air compressor. The small one is the low. Okay, this is low with the L right here. L stands for low. And this is high compressor. Low compressor hole. High compressor hole. Okay? You're gonna open this. Use a screwdriver to take all the fluid out. It's gonna be a green fluid in there. Okay, I'm gonna show you that next. This is the tool you need. You need the compressor gate, okay, a screwdriver, and Freon. Alright? Oh, this paper just fly away. We're gonna need that too. Okay, mechanic, paper, okay? First thing first. Well, probably get bored with that word. First thing first, blah blah blah. Okay, I already mentioned this here over here. Okay. Like I said, today is so damn hot. I don't even have a shirt on. Try to show off my 50 years old body. Okay. 50 years old body. And do I use steroid? No. Do I work out? No. Okay. Today is the day that you're gonna bring back the air compressor, motor, and also fill in the Freon to get your car cool today. Temperature is gonna hit up to 202 temperature. Next, the low pressure. Use a screwdriver with the mechanic paper towel. Push this down. Oh, forgot. Tell you something. Put on your safety glasses like me so you can look cool. Back to the game. Usually the green Freon coming out from here, okay? So that's why you gotta use the safety glasses, and the Freon is gonna come out and hit the paper, okay? Press here all the way down, like you take out the air tire, and the Freon, the green Freon is gonna come out. When you're done with this, all go out on the low line compressor, then you go to the high line compressor. Okay, stick a screwdriver in there and pressure down. Okay, but my Freon is all gone right now because I've been using more, and my compressor is dead. That's the way you bring back the dead air compressor, which is down here, all the way down before you see the alternator is the air compressor down here. Okay, you come inside the car, turn on the engine, turn on your air compressor, your air, and turn on the AC. Load it up to high fan. This one is for the back anyway, that doesn't matter. and turn your air compressor all the way up. Make sure your AC is on. You say AC is on right here, all the way up. Then be prepared to put the Freon in. Put the pressure gauge in the can, then turn all the way down. Come to the low side of the compressor hose. Tap this in. Push this all the way up toward to your face. Push it down. Let it go. Check it. Make sure they're all in. Okay. This is the temperature gauge right here. I mean the compressor gauge. Make sure the gauge, when you turn on, you're going backward now. You turn this backward until you see the gauge here go to the green, between the green. The way I do, I make sure the gauge is all the way down near the red gauge here, the red sign here, near there. Then I pressure this button right here. Just pressure up and down, push up and down, 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 until the compressor down there come back from the dead. That compressor down there is dead. When that compressor, you hear the click from that compressor up, mean the compressor come back from the dead. Then you just you're supposed to have a can in here, okay? You're just shaking the can, hold it up like that. Make sure you see the gate, watching the gate at the same time. Make sure they're in the green, not below the blue, not above the red. Then you should be good to go. Number one, you bring back the dead compressor. Number two, you also get Freon in your car and get the cold air. That's the way you do it. There's no way that you're gonna have to spend a lot of money for this. Thank you for watching. Spencer the Mechanic. See you in the next video.